Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the ATAS platform. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up a web browser and head on over to atas.net. This is the official website for ATAS. Now, from here, go ahead and scroll down to kind of like the middle of the page here, and it'll say free start. We need to go ahead and click on create an account if you haven't created an account. If you've got an account, click on the sign in and sign in here. So I'm just going to register here. So I'm going to put in my email and then click the terms and then click continue. Okay, now from here, it's going to say question, thank you for registering. Your login credentials and link to run ATAS have been sent to your email. If you are new to the platform, we recommend going through the short questionnaire. Based on your responses, we'll choose helpful instructions and tips further to configuration. So now it might say what markets are you interested in. I'm just going to do crypto, do day trading. How did you find out about Atlas? I'm going to say YouTube. Continue. If you have undergone or currently undergoing trading education, click continue again. And what are you reading, watching about trading? So please share the links. Your response is entirely anonymous. So click continue and then click close. Now from here, we're going to come to this page. Now, if you're like me and it says your email address is not confirmed, please check your email. So here it is here. So I'm inside my emails, your access to the Atlas platform, ATAS platform, sorry. So now I'm going to go ahead and confirm email and download ATAS. Then you're going to come basically to the same page. Now from here, go ahead and click on the download ATAS for Windows. Now if you're looking for a platform version or Mac, go ahead and click on there, but this tutorial is for Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Windows, and now it's going to start the download process. It's only 2 megabytes in size, so once that downloads, go ahead and open it up. Now I want to go ahead and click on yes, and then I accept the agreement, click next again. Now setup will install ATAS platform into the following folder. To continue, click next. If you like to select a different folder, click browse. So I'm just going to keep it there, click next. And now please select the version you want to install. So we've got latest, better, or stable. I'm just going to do latest for this demonstration. Now it's going to go ahead and install the platform onto your computer. And you're going to have a little box here that's going to say downloading and installing updates. Updating ATAS platform to the latest version. Why update is downloading and installing updates for ATAS platform. This process could take a few minutes. So depending on your internet speed, should only take a few minutes. So it's 150 megabytes in size, so I should smash that out relatively quickly, I would imagine. But I'm just going to pause this video for now and get back to you once this has done its thing. Alright, so once that is finished, you can go ahead and launch the ATAS platform. Okay, so this is it. So go ahead and put in your login, your password, find your server, also your workspace, and you can remember data and go ahead and click on connect.